Okay, let's see how efficient this extension is. Let's click on it and we see settings here. There are 3 tabs. First is responsible for replies itself. You can choose a tone, a style. Here you can choose a reply point of view to reply as a viewer or as a channel owner or as a group. Then you can select the length of the reply. Let's keep it short. And then we can select AI provider here. I will select the Groq because I already entered the Groq API key. And to get your API key, you need to click Get It Here. You will be redirected to Groq API console, and there you will be able to register and get your free API key. Same for the Google. And Anthropic and OpenAI, they have paid plans or pay-per-use options. After at least one API key is entered, let's save it here. And let's get back to Replies tab. And here we will choose friendly style. We will choose to reply as a single viewer, as I. The reply will be short and our AI vendor will be Groq. Let's click Save and Apply, and that's it. It's ready. Now we will scroll down to find any questions here. For example, this one, wait, new studio. Let's click Reply. Let's click Generate. And it's ready. Reply is short. Reply is from the point of view of the viewer. Let's see how it will be different if we will cancel this one and we will go to settings and we will try to reply as a channel owner. Of course, we will not be able to post it as a channel owner if we are not the channel owner, but the text will be generated as from the channel owner point of view. Let's click reply, let's click generate, and that's it. Now we see totally different point of view in that reply. And of course we can click reply, but I will not do it because it's not my comment. So I will click cancel. As for Pro Mode, let's open the settings and we'll go to third tab, Pro Mode. And Pro Mode gives you many great things like context-aware replies. You can upload your own knowledge and reply system. This extension will use your knowledge when it will be generating replies. So it's not only the knowledge that AI have, it will be your custom knowledge and it will be used during the reply generation. And of course, you will get additional advanced analytics to track your engagement and growth. And to enable Pro Mode, you need to get a Pro Token. You can click Enable Pro Mode, you will be taken to the web page where you will be able to register your account and get your Pro Token. After that, you will enter it here. Click Save and Apply, and Pro Mode will be enabled. Let's try to enable it now. I will enter the token, I will save it, and it says Pro Mode is active. And if we will go to the first tab, we will see a message here that Pro Mode is active and extension settings are bypassed. This means that all those keys will not be used and you will not be charged for API usage by those AI vendors. Now all the usage will be done through Pro Mode and through REPLAI.PRO server. And those settings also will be ignored because on the REPLAI.PRO server in your account settings, you will have many more settings to set up and use, as well as your custom knowledge upload. On REPLAI.PRO, we have a free plan, so please register and try it out. And that's the basics of the Reply extension. Feel free to download it, to use it, and boost your replies and engagement. And of course, let us know what you think about it. Have a wonderful replies and good luck!